Did you wake up this morning and feel a little ache in your knees? Maybe a bit of swelling in your ankles? If you're a senior, you know all too well how those little twinges can add up, turning simple walks into big challenges. But what if I told you the answer to stronger legs and healthier joints might be as close as your kitchen? Today, I'm sharing 15 collagen-packed foods that could help you say goodbye to swelling and hello to a more active, joyful you. First up, bone broth. This golden elixir is basically collagen in a cup. Sip it warm, and you're nourishing your joints from the inside out. Next, salmon. Not only does it fight inflammation, but it's loaded with protein to help those muscles stay strong. Eggs, the whites, pure protein, the yolks, packed with nutrients that help your body make collagen. And don't forget Greek yogurt, it's creamy, delicious, and supports muscle repair. Moving on, citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits. Why? Vitamin C is a collagen booster. Sprinkle some berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries on your breakfast, and you've got an antioxidant powerhouse. Leafy greens like spinach and kale aren't just for salads. They're loaded with nutrients your joints love. Red bell peppers more vitamin C than an orange. Toss them in a stir-fry for flavor and joint support. Tomatoes too. They're rich in lycopene, which helps defend against inflammation. For snack time, try some pumpkin seeds or sunflower seeds. They give your body zinc, which helps turn the collagen you eat into the collagen you use. Lean chicken and turkey, simple, lean, and full of the amino acids your body needs to build new collagen. And don't overlook beans, black kidney or chickpeas. They're full of protein and minerals for muscle and joint health. Sweet potatoes. They're not just tasty, they're great for your skin and your joints. Finally, garlic. It helps prevent the breakdown of collagen, so your hard work lasts longer. If you're ready to move easier, feel stronger, and say goodbye to swelling, start adding these foods to your meals today. Your legs and your spirit deserve it. If you learned something new, comment below and tell me, which food will you try first? And don't forget to subscribe for more ways to live your healthiest, happiest life no matter your age.